Hey guys, we're starting it off in the car today on our way to Value Village. Gonna get a bunch of fire. Let's see what we can do today. Let's go. Gonna be packed. It's a Saturday. Won't do any talking inside. Got a cold and it's super awkward. All right, let's go. We'll see. See you there. Whoop. And we're back home. Alright guys, got all the stuff from the thrift. Here we go. You just saw us in the video. Couldn't talk at all, was sick, and there's super busy on a Saturday. We got this vintage duffel coat, made in England. Great condition, size large. We got a Henry Lloyd marine jacket, great condition. We got a retro New Balance jacket. We got a nice vintage Tommy Hilfiger size medium plaid with the crest on the pocket, flannel type shirt. We got the Nike splash pants with the buttons all down the side, small embroidery up there, not bad. We also got this sick Chaps Ralph Lauren with the logo. And the corduroy collar also. It's got all that stripage. Great patch. Size XL. We also got the Nike ACG Windbreaker 2000s jacket. The Chaps Ralph Lauren color block button-up shirt. And last but not least, we got the vintage Nautica with the stripage all over, small logo polo shirt. And that was all just from one day at the thrift on a Saturday, so that's crazy. Usually Saturdays aren't as bountiful, you could say. And up next we got the packages. We got a poop ton today. At least 10, maybe a million. Starting it off, let's see what we got. All the shoutouts will be up there, of course. Okay. Alright, that green, okay. First up, ladder locks, vintage. Yes, alright. The vintage, the North Face in that dark green, forest green colorway. Oh, it's all crinkled up. Embroidery on the arms. Size large. What do we got for the tags? Old tags. Early 90s. Amazing. Thank you. Up next, we got, coming in from Edgar from the States. Whoa, opened the wrong part there. Oh my god, look what they used to fill this. They used like soot and dust to cushion it. Shit, dog. What we got? Anyway. Oh, I love it. Just gonna chuck this in the garbage. Holy balls. Alright. We got this beautiful Nike ACG Brand new with the tags. Amazing. Strap back. Up next, from no idea. It's the what is this? Navy blue? Ah, track pants. I believe this is Revived Vintage. Hell yeah. Vintage Nike track pants or splash type pants. Dope. Turquoise logo. And the vintage super old Oregon tag. Amazing. Thank you very much. Those are sick. They fit. They're going for the personals. Next up from Lena from Halifax. Got this off Depop. Amazing. Ooh, a little note. Let's read that after. Vintage. Actually, we'll read it first. What do we got? Enjoy the bag. At Wavy Shorty. Thank you very much. It has arrived and it's amazing. This vintage North Face Trans-Arctic messenger style bag with the straps. Amazing condition. Thank you so much. Awesome. Up next, from my boy Brian from the States. What do we got? Oh yeah, we got the with another note. Awesome. Thank you so much for your purchase. As much as I did. Sorry it took a second to ship. Oh, no worries. No worries, man. This is amazing. Thank you so much. It's the vintage 90s Michael Jordan times Nike Barcelona, I believe, or I don't know right now. It's off my tongue, but fire colorway, amazing jersey. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Up next, another hat. Okay. We got, the vintage. Guess. Big Bill, Atlanta, from the USA Olympics, 1996. Guess USA hat. Great condition. Amazing. Thank you very much. Shout out right up there. Huge shout out. Appreciate that. Coming in from No Idea. We got. Oh yeah. Oh, the vintage. Of course it's vintage. Polo Sport. Big logo in that rare kind of wobbled out logo from stadium days. Size large, fits like an XL, I believe. Amazing condition. Little bit of cracking, not too bad. Thank you so much. Next one up. Oh, I know what these are. You know? 'Cause these are yo-yo. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Two vintage Tommy Hilfiger yo-yos. Your boy hooked all of this up. He had a bunch of these going out for a steal. Thank you very much. Can't wait to do a slow-mo for the gram with one of those. It's gonna be sick. Appreciate it. Yeah, here we go. Gotta keep it going. Too many. Still got 1, 2, 3, 5 more to go after this. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. I was wondering what this was too. Got this in the mail today. This is a big flag, as you can see. Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, Nice. Big duffel bag. That's awesome. That's way bigger than I expected. Hell yeah. With the spell out on the strap. Amazing. Great condition. Very light wear. Huge shout out to you for that. That's going to the collection. Thank you very much. Up next, we'll get into these boxes. No, we'll save the boxes for the last. Keep going, keep going. Aha! We got this amazing vintage, I'm not sure what year, 1992, 1994, I forget, NHL All-Star Game, Mark Messier jersey. Not that bad of wear. Awesome. Huge shout out from Dartmouth. Appreciate that. Local. Amazing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Coming in from A. Doc Waskowicz. We got a... Yeah. Vintage Burberry Novacek woman's shirt. Got the vintage tag right there. Made in England. Great condition. Colors look right. Got the tag. Awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Thank you. And now we got 3 boxes left. Let's do it. Alright. Ooh. Stop showing everybody the postal codes. All the addresses. Yeah, alright. I get you. Coming. Oh, this is from Thrifty23 on Depop. Hooked your boy up with some sick polo pieces. First off, the new retro capsule suicide skier, big logo vest with the hood, Polo USA on the side, and the cookie embroider on the crest. Amazing. Brand new with the tags. Huge shout out to him. Appreciate that. Next up, we got the Polo Camo Pwing. Where is that? Where is it? Pwing jogger pants. These are brand new as well. Almost brand new. Oh, there we go. There's the tag. Awesome. Appreciate that. Huge shout out to him. And one last thing, we also got the Givenchy bag. Aha. Nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Coming up next, we got some more polo. Was going through Depop and found a couple of these vests for some steals, so I had to scoop them up. I don't know if it was coincidence or not, but some fire. And then when I talked to one guy with the vest, Jet Blast Music, shout out to him for all the music on this video. He also sold me his Polo Suicide Skier beanie. Amazing. Great condition. Appreciate that. As well as another size large Suicide Skier vest. Amazing condition as well. Barely worn. And also snagged a nice, there's the tags, Polo Alpine sweater. Crazy colors. Polo on the sleeve. Oh, great condition. These are sick. Always wanted to have one of these. Finally got it in the collection. We'll see if we sell them. I don't know. Tags. Hell yeah. Thank you, Jet Blast. Huge shout out. And last but not least, I've been just dying to open this package. It's been busting. It's a little bit puffier, you know. Anyway, we got this vintage, the North Face. Perfect. Can you know? Do you know? Can you tell? Oh, Baltoro down jacket. Amazing. Nothing wrong with it, he said, the guy. From Quebec, got this one off Kijiji. So, no pull. Woo. GG. Hell yeah. In the black, size medium. That's amazing. Great condition. No wear. Anywhere. Amazing. Huge shout out to y'all. Hey guys, that'll conclude this thrift and unboxing video. Appreciate all the support on all the other videos. Let's keep it up. Appreciate it. Can we get a whopping 10 likes on this video? What? Let's go. I'll get the video posted ASAP. All this stuff will get posted. I got a bunch of pictures to take. Thank you. Appreciate all the support. And we'll see you later. Also, comment down below what is your favorite thing in this video. I want to hear it. Let's see. Thank you very much. Peace.